Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about brass or bronze air conditioning NRV non-return check valve. Here is the unboxing of brass or bronze air conditioning NRV non-return check valve. A brass or bronze AC air conditioning non-return check valve is a specific type of valve used in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It serves the purpose of allowing a one-way flow of refrigerant or other fluids while preventing backflow.